Good morning, all of you. Today, in chapter 1, Population, Distribution, Density, Growth and Campaign, we will study about the social campaign started by the government of India. This is Beti Bachao and Beti Padhao. This is Save the Daughter and Educate the Daughter. Is a campaign of government of India and kind of a social campaign for promoting gender sensitivity among the society. As you know this thing, the division of society into male, female, transgender is believed to be natural and biological, but in reality there are social constructs and role assigned to individuals for the male, female as well as for transgender. There are some prejudices which are reinforced by the social institutions. Consequently, as a result, these biological differences between the gender became the basis of social differentiation, discrimination, and exclusions. And this exclusion of over half of the population became a serious handicap to any developing and civilized society. Gender discrimination became a challenge which has been acknowledged by UNDP, where it has mentioned if development is not endangered, it is endangered discrimination in general. Gender discrimination have been described as a crime against humanity by the UNDP, and there are efforts need to be made against the gender discrimination, especially the discrimination of female in the society. For this purpose, Government of India has duly acknowledged and adverse impact of this discrimination and launch a nationwide campaign of Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao. All the efforts to be made to address the denial of opportunity of education, employment, political representation, low wages to the similar type of work. In this case, uh, wages are given less to the female and there is a disregard to their female, and there is no dignity to the life of female in the society. A society which failed to acknowledge and take initiative measure to remove such discrimination cannot be treated as civilized society. So Government of India have launched this program of Beti Bachao Beti Padhao, and with the help of this program government aim to generate awareness and improve the efficiency of welfare services, which intend to improve the condition of girls in society. And there are many schemes have been launched with an initial funding of 100 crore, and this program mainly target in those district and those state of Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, UP, Punjab, Bihar and Delhi, where the sex ratio is low. According to census of India, child sex ratio in 2001 census was 927, which dropped to 900 in 2011. And in 2012, UNICEF reports ranked India 41st among 195 countries in the population census of 2011. and it has been revealed that the population ratio of India 2011 is 919 female per thousand males. The sex ratio 2011 shows a downward trend from the census 2001 data. And Government of India under the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched this program on 22nd January 2015. This Beti Bachao Beti Padhao scheme, which was launched, it aims to address the issue of declining child sex ratio image and nationwide initiative jointly run by Ministry of Women and Child Development, the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, and the Human Resource Development Ministry. And this is jointly run by all these three. Initially, this program focus multi-sector action in 100 districts throughout the country where there was low trend of child sex ratio. Reason for this campaign of Beti Bachao Beti Padhao campaign, one is sex selective abortion and female feticide, which has led to a sharp drop in the ratio of girls born in contrast to the boys infant in some of the states of India, especially Haryana, Punjab, UP, Bihar, etc. And in recent days, ultrasound technology has made it possible for the pregnant women and their families to learn the sex of fetus early in a pregnancy. Discrimination against the girl infant for several reasons has combined with the technology to result in a rise of abortion of fetus, which led to feticide, especially for female. And due to the social causes combined with the technology to result in rise of abortion of fetuses identified as female during the ultrasound testing. Some special strategy have been used for this program. 1. Social mobilization implemented through communication campaign to create equal value for the girl child and promote her education. Second, there is a focus on critical district and cities where the sex ratio is poor, which place the issue of declining in child sex ratio at the time of birth in public discourse, improvement of which would be an indicator of good governance in the country. Thank you.